Welcome to my channel. Design Plus with Canva. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good too.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from India.
That's beautiful country.
Thank you.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Do you go to school?
No, I'm a college student.
What do you study?
I study English.
That's great.
Yes, I love it.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I go for a walk.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
When do you go to college?
I leave home at 8 a.m.
How do you go to college?
I take the bus.
Do you like college?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite subject?
I like English.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Mr. Roy, our math teacher.
What time does college end?
Around 3 p.m.
What do you do after college?
I relax and watch TV.
What do you do in your free time?
I read books.
I love music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love movies.
Who's your favorite actor?
I like Tom Holland.
Do you play any games?
Yes, I play football.
Do you draw or paint?
I draw a little.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, cooking is fun.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
What's your favorite drink?
Orange juice.
What's your weekend plan?
Do you have homework today?
Yes, in science.
Is it difficult?
A little bit.
Want to study together?
Yes, let's meet at 5 p.m.
What's today's class schedule?
First English, then math.
Did you do the project?
Not yet.
Let's work on it after class.
Good idea.
Do you bring your lunch?
Yes, my mom packs it.
What's in your lunch?
Rice and chicken.
Sounds tasty.
Do you like the new teacher?
Yes, she's very kind.
Exam are coming soon.
Let's go shopping.
I need a new bag.
Do you like this color?
Yes, it's nice.
How much is it?
It's $20.
That's affordable.
Let's buy snacks.
I want ice cream.
I will get chips.
Want to go to the park?
Sure.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it's sunny.
I love nature.
Let's take a selfie.
Say cheese.
That's a good photo.
I will post it online.
Don't forget to tag me.
What are you doing now?
Watching a show.
Which one?
Friends. It's funny.
I have seen that.
Can I visit your home?
Yes, come on Saturday.
What time?
Around 4 p.m.
Should I bring something?
No need.
Let's play games.
I will bring my cards.
Let's bake a cake.
That's a fun idea.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, a cat.
What's its name?
Snowy.
Cute name.
What do you want to be?
I want to be a doctor.
That's awesome.
What about you?
I want to be a teacher.
We can help people.
Yes, that's the goal.
Do you want to study abroad?
Maybe, in the UK.
I want to go to Canada.
Let's work hard.
Yes, and stay positive.
Do you believe in dreams?
Of course.
Let's never give up.
Always.
I will support you.
Thank you, friend.
We will succeed together.
Yes, one day.
It was nice talking to you.
Same here.
Let's meet tomorrow.
Sure.
Take care.
You too.
Bye.
See you later.
Have a great day.
Good night.